Hey guys, in this video I'm going to test out the fingerprint scanner for your Samsung Galaxy S21 or the S21 Ultra with a default screen protector that comes with your device. So if you have purchased your Galaxy S21, you can see here it already has a screen protector. So I'm just going to zoom right in so you can take a look at it. It has a screen protector right there, a very thin layer around where I have my finger right there. So there is a screen protector that comes with your device already. So let's see if it works well with the fingerprint. So I'm going to go into settings. So in settings, I'm going to go down and tap on biometrics and security, and I'll tap on fingerprints. I'll put in the screen passcode, and I'll tap on continue. So let's test it out. Does it work well with a film screen protector? So this is not a tempered glass, it is a film protector. So you can see here, I do not need to press very hard, just lightly. As you can see, I'm just touching it lightly. It works very well. So I have no issues getting it reading my fingerprints. Now previously, if you install a tempered glass, you can have trouble getting your fingerprint to read correctly. So fingerprint 1. So I'm going to check my fingerprint. So here, check fingerprint. You can see it can identify my fingerprint straight away. No match. And here, find a match. And yeah, so even with the built-in screen protector, the fingerprint works very well. I don't know if it works well with a tempered glass or not. So we need to test that one as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.